us proceed now with subtraction of decimals. So this time we're going to subtract decimals. So we have here our first given 2 and 2900ths minus 6 and 5400ths. So the step here is align the decimal points, then subtract. So let's rewrite the given 2.29 and 6.54. No, it's 12. Let's make it 12 rather. Sorry, it's a mistake. So 12.29 minus 6.54. So 6.54. Okay. So notice that the decimal points are aligned and each numbers with their corresponding place value are also aligned. So the next step now is we're going to subtract. So we subtract by place value. So 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 5 cannot be. So I'm going to borrow here from 2. So this will become 1 and this will become 12. So 10, because I borrowed 10 here. So 1 plus 2. 12 minus 5. So this will become 12. So 12 minus 5. That would be 7. So decimal point is also aligned. Now this is 1 minus 6 or 11. From 12 it becomes 11. So 11, the whole thing 11 minus 6 is 5. So the answer here is 5.75. So that's the answer for number 1. Okay. Now, next, number 2, 15.39. So we're going to rewrite again. So number 2, 15.39. So we write here 15, and that's 15.39. Okay. Minus 8.28. So we're going to make the decimal point align. 8.28. Okay, so 15.39 minus 8.28. Okay, so this is number 2. Then subtract. Okay, but before we answer, let's check if the numbers were aligned. So 9, 9 to 8, 3 by 2, 5 by 8, 1. Okay, so they are aligned according to their place value. So now we're going to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is 1, sorry. Right now. Let me rewrite. So this is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we align the decimal place. Okay. Then 15 minus 8, that would be 7. Okay. So the answer for number 2 is 7.11. So let's place here 7.11 or 7 and 11 hundredths for number 1, 5 and 75 hundredths. Okay. Okay, so this is number 2. Okay. Yeah. Now, let's proceed to the third example. 124 and 39 hundredths minus 42 and 391 thousandths. So let us rewrite 124 and 39 hundredths minus 42 and 391. Sorry, it's 391 hundredths. 391 thousandths rather. Okay, so as you can see, 1 has no alignment. It implies this is 0. But since we are dealing with subtraction, we cannot just we cannot just bring it down to 1. So what are we going to do? Since this is 0, we borrow here. So this will be 8. From 9, it will become 8. And this will become 10. So, 10 minus 1, this will become 9. 8 minus 9 cannot be, so you're going to borrow here again. It becomes 2. So this will become 18. So 18, this will become 18 minus 9, that would be 9. So 2 minus 3 cannot be. So you have here, you borrow here again, it becomes 3. And it becomes 12. So 12 minus 3, that would be 9. Okay. Now you have here 3 minus 2, that would be 1. 2 minus 4 cannot be. So you borrow here, becomes 0. So this will be 12. So 12 minus 4, that would be 8. So that would be 81 and 999 thousandths. So that would be our final answer. So this is 81 and 999 thousandths. Okay. 81 and 999 thousandths.